Hi! In front of me is REALME C17 and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll all the way down and click on More at the bottom. Then tap on Screen Refresh Rate and click on one of the available options to apply it. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my REALME has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!